Strawberry, okay. Does look pretty cool. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so I'm in a whole street. This is called Graffiti Street, and we're in Chongqing. So there's a lot of cool stuff already around here, and we still have all of our shops and our places to do whatever else you want as well. And we're gonna just kind of explore and see. And I can see stuff already on the walls. And my understanding that there was, I forget the exact numbers, but there was an extraordinary amount of art students that all tried to do this over a certain period of time. So they basically did graffiti everywhere. But not everywhere, that building doesn't have any. But, and artwork. So not just graffiti, but. So this wall has a little bit of it, but I think we're gonna see a lot more in a little bit too. Oh, this is just kind of, I think more of it is behind us, so I just wanted to capture some of this. Yeah, some pretty cool stuff. All right, and it's also just all neighborhoods and living arrangement stuff too. So we got some more over here. And I'm gonna turn this off in a minute, and then we're gonna try to capture some of the bigger stuff over there. Okay, so these two are, I think I see these often on pictures. So we're gonna keep on walking, and a lot of people just kind of watching the artwork right here. But this is pretty cool. So I'm gonna just try to keep exploring more. There's more over here. So yeah, it's an entire neighborhood, and there's an art university somewhere around here, maybe up that way. They basically put artwork pretty much on everything. So we're just gonna walk around and see what we can see. Oh, here we go. Huangjueping Art Street. So everything, wow, didn't even see that one up there. Actually, a lot of people are here taking pictures. There's some cool stuff over here too. Actually, my camera is this little GoPro, so it doesn't. I think a zoom might be better, but oh, there's a shark up on that one. This is really cool. Okay. Actually got a lot of interesting shops right here too. Okay, so now you can see those little guys up there, those girls and guys. I got a lot of interesting shops in general around here. Okay. Do a walk in to see. But my understanding of this area is it's like about a kilometer or more of just stuff everywhere. So you don't really know what you're gonna come across. It's pretty cool. Let's see. Since I don't know what I'm gonna come across, we're gonna just keep walking down this street, but the taxi driver said to go up the other street. But I think he just dropped me off in the middle, so it's all good everywhere around here. For the time being, I'm gonna turn off the camera. So there's kind of a lot of random stuff everywhere. It's pretty cool. And actually the housing in general is pretty interesting. And I think I think I'm coming up on some kind of, maybe this might be the art school itself, I'm not sure. It's all centered around an art school, so. But this sculpture looks pretty cool, so I think it could have to do something with that. Strawberry, okay. Does look pretty cool. Yeah, I kind of think that the university might be straight ahead. It's definitely a nice tourist attraction. Okay. And actually, there's this kind of cool architecture in general. There's some more paintings up on the side of that wall. And there's some cool stuff here too. The train. Let's see what this one. Okay, Art Street. So I guess this is kind of signifies the two. So okay, seems like there's lots of artwork in general everywhere here. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, so yeah, we got a whole street, kind of cool stuff. There's more over there. I don't know, that could be the school over there. Okay. Okay, this is just kind of cool in general. So this is that whole art street. You got all these art supplies, you got kind of cool stuff everywhere. There's a Chihuahua dog in there. Another dog. So you got like tons of cool artwork stuff. So yeah, I don't know. Pretty cool. Paint. Yeah, I like this street. It's just kind of a cool art street in general. I think there's a lot of art students that would live around here as well. Some cages. Yeah. It's all part of Chongqing as well. Okay. Okay. So I'm walking back into it. So that's the main entrance of the street. And I don't know. These are kind of interesting. These are like little trikes. They got like a motorcycle kind of deal with them. It's like they got like 3 wheels. You can only see like 1 wheel there. So it's like a trike that has like 3 wheels. So it's kind of interesting. Let's see. I don't know if I can should walk straight or this way. Looks like I should walk straight up this way. Let's see what else we can see. I definitely see some of the houses still has stuff too. So okay, we'll see what else we can find around here. There's a lot of trees, so a lot of the artwork is on the other side of the trees, which is fine too.